Bw'omuguzi. Joshua utanchiretirane nkuru ko Vincent Onyanja ekerobono relituko oliara Mrs. Tariki emerongebera nenye omutinyo gatatu mwaka w'ekiri bubere na yachaka kurwa sensemo yobo chenwa nemeye county ya Kisii nyagetari yakiwa international nigolituko lya lero yaberege kubwato koboko nyigo kya samenye be county ya Kisii anasa abantu batali kwenyara boigona abantu bale no balema asoko obwato kera chiwili chia amo nebinto binde imeye county ya Kisii wesokia asoko ligali bageli yakera banyimbo bale kolikwa
Omoroberio bokolika abanyanyimbo bekyombekia National South omoroberio yuno bagakoreka ase skuru yo boroso ya Nyamira Primary oyo tenenerete omoroberio yo asensemo ya Nyamira South Francis Wanjahu nateba buno omoroberio yuno chakasenchira yo boikerano kolende mbanyora amakongu make
kwa ajili constant kitu ambacho tuko leo kinaitwa Nyamira South ambaye tunafanya recruitment hapa ya vijana, wanaume na wasichana. Hii exercise tuko na guideline ambayo tumepewa na National Police Service Commission na ambao wamekuwa hapa karibu kwa mwezi uliopita wakisensitize sisi pamoja na wananchi ili tuweze kufuata hizo guidelines ambazo pia ziko katika social media na kwa magazeti zinaonekana, na hizo ndizo tunafuata. Kituo kilifunguliwa saa 2 na kitafungwa saa 10
ntobe toko batebya buno moroberio yo orabe gokoba alituko lya lero ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV eretariane Joba Maangi
na togotigana boigono robochiro kurase county ya Nyamira gotokoira na goikase county ya Kisii na boigotomulekere amangana arengete siasa ikerogo kyobo senator ime ye county ya Kisii ni gobono kigo chigotwaro munguso motindi habwa sabarone aho bagenrete wesokia na kira bande bagenrete kwe Rusia no gotige ekerogo kyo no nabo ogosikekaniyo gotindi ni gokora chiko bagati yomokonyu mo governor we county ya Kisii Josh Mange gati yabo na boigo South Richard Momonyonga aya niga gocha maiga ya Okengo Nyambane kwe Rusia kurwa sekerego gyoko ligyo basenete meye county ya Kisii Okengo Nyambane bono niga gochigotenera chikambeni cha Kenya kwanza ase county ya Kisii.
Mosomi, I happen to be the youth president Kisii County, and today we've called this Okengo Nyambane, a young man who wanted to aspire as the senator Kisii County, has dropped down or has stepped down his interest to contest for the Senate candidacy in Kisii County and concentrate in the presidential campaign.
Kuira neli umwana itongambia mano akorwa bakoenda guchiali asengenja bwate hekyombe gagia uda amanyinga yeime akiyekogera anyaite koba okolemerera gwanjerana neliogeri amatote itogotebana ebyongozi biribinde abarayi bali bande babekiru chinsemo ao unabono umugaka Josh Mangi oyo etwekero geke ni ayayigo umusiko kengarwete agenderere
na boigo gotigara samangana alingete na siasa uyo koligekero kyobo MC yokurwase ward ya Kisii Central manyakanete buna Ken Mogire nigatebire nigabegete mirobire isaine has ogo chia kwaniki ngonyara chikura chinyinge kurwase nseme ya Kisii Central na naboni gatebire buna isego choroko bumurai na chuikerania Mange ase ward ya Kisii Central egotoka meye county ya Kisii
ward yane igere nerere nseme ne ya town ya Kisii na influence ye tauni ne bwato buya no bwaye na boigo obole mu bwito ko bagendete kona ko kyali tukase lituko igo nonya mburimi bwakende kekeigo obwende gokorwa tubuna chiwodi chinde chonse nonya torange ne town bono ekerenga kiane kenene ne ringa inche amona abantu bane bonse bakisi central ward ntorigi chisemi ninde no bumanyi obwo nande ninde no koganito to
nabo igoni go chinga kyo ni mogira nyaraga kuburia barwenere bande bali bagendete ko ligie keruge kya mone chinse mo chinde kone kibuna sobo choryo boke burachi gokorwa boime go nominations baitabirane hamachi boranyare korali gwa ko terase bya
siasa ne ara magendero tuiso kora siasa embe basia magendero itagusira na kyo mugaka moya tetenga siasa mbaya maisha mbaya igenjerende siasa ne re bwata magendero amangana nomination ye chipati siasa muna ya korirwe asobugima bwa mwanya bantu na mono asa mangana Kenya igakobe gendo yugo kunokoba kuneta bwenere tikoba tali rasima ochorwe go senchorwe ikerenge kenene inkeruta gete gokorera abantu onye ibagiri nditogetirero basi mambiri cheritoke ase chipati abana kuboringa bateme gokora kirigendo buna kibwenda gokorwa korengana na machiko oyo gotoko bwenda takweguri baga ayegwe tigiti iyo agenda achikoboririe kero
aboigo ayuekera gendrete kumurekera manganande harengetsa baibona na boigo na abana kero kiri chiskuru chisiekire nigobona abana benyorregwe soke na gukwana na abana bande na soko nyaroko ba obosemia shinga kichiga barenka niga abana banyarre kubori gomba
pressure hiyo ya kuwekwa unakaa ani unavurutwa kwenye kundi. Peer pressure we have like you find your friend taking drugs and you also you want to take drugs. You find your friend has a nice thing and you don't have, you go you force your mother to, and you force even your parent to tell him or her, Mom I want this, Mom I want that. Just be yourself, avoid this thing called peer pressure. It always makes us look like you are nothing. Be yourself and at least jisimamie mwenyewe useme no, this is not the right thing. At least elewa kenye mzazi wako ako nacho na huru na kile nye uko nacho.
na boiga serikali ni gobono yabe kiremiro birisa ina sogo sirensemo ya bodaboda ekero bagendrete no bonchore bwabo omwaziri bobulendo eme Dr. Fred Matiang'i niganyareka gote abuna bana bodaboda banyarwe sona ni asibyombe anechi sako bunenchire ya moyo kunyara kubwaterana na gokinyo bonchore bwabo na nasensemo yo Burundia.
When you are organized as a SACCO, your potential is recorded and is known. It's easier for even government to stand surety for you to get a facility to invest and increase your potential as well. So let us register in the SACCOs. I love the idea of having a digital register. I love the idea of the identification that I'm seeing here. This is the way we are going as a country. And ask each one of your friends to ensure that they have registered in the SACCOs. We maintain a digital
money than the government is transferring to the counties. More than 370 billion. Your sector, mufanya hesabu, you're big. And you can transform. You're the people. This country is yours.
Na boigo omonogari bwe serikali Cyrus Oguna ni ganyareka gote abune serikali ni gagandete kobeke wense gotayo ni gochinga ki Cyrus Oguna nyarega kobole chinyomba choboralia na boigo na batumeki be mitandao kwane kibuno bose bale bwate ngo botumeka bare asenchirengia na kwane kina asenchire yokwagacha na gosiro molemba sense ya Kenya.
So we don't want to get there. So we are starting early, not just as ourselves, but also we want to move together with the rest of the society, including political leaders, various stakeholders, and the media as well. That is the genesis of this. Are we considering, clamping the media? This is, I think we have had several elections in this country. Several elections, and this is a country that respects freedom of speech, freedom of the media. Press freedom is really respected in this country, but you're also asking them to be responsible. When all of us obey the law, there would be even no point of considering this. Because at the end of the day, I'll keep on saying, So the media have got a very, very important responsibility. You saw what happened in other parts of even this region, what the media did. Our government is a responsible government. Our media is a responsible media. And the media is critical even for governance. And therefore, like I said, let's work in a collaborative manner, even as we head into electioneering period. Even those who are bloggers and whatever, that they have a country to protect. Social media by itself will not do any harm, but it's the information that is put there that will do some harm. That information comes from you, from me, from everybody else. When all of us put the interest of this country ahead of every other interest, I trust.
Na aboigo ko yakora neribu na homorewe kyamma gehodi mrera morodinga nigaberega kubaregania abwatani akorwa sebe mabinde litukolia lero kwebwatania sensemo ya azimio la umoja ime ya chungwa usa gatija bali banyarogoso asasimio la umoja no mugavana we county ya Kajiado Joseph Ololengu.
Na sisi ni kitu moja. Tumekuwa Kajiado miaka mingi zaidi. Kwenda kuja pale na mzee marehemu Olentimama na mzee John King. Tukitembea huko kutoka kule na Manga, tunarudi mpaka hapa, tunaenda mpaka kule Loitokitok, narudi naenda kwa kule chini pande ya Magadi huko. Na marehemu Saitoti. Naona ndugu Saitoti yuko hapa.
Wanchumurigereria hayonsi ni gara senchira yobwenge nyurabono gekora gense moyabono maragoba na inde ningira na semesega aseri bonyale kogo sansamuranira ayo amo na yandambange inyorebuna ekyam tokumanya yaragirense mo yabono maragoba tubwati gwetira sensemo yemtandao ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News na bagense meli ya YouTube na bogotonyarabuna Ndizi TV News ngo wakarambye mono